Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your actual recently played songs on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On the home page of the app, there is a recently played section, but that only displays your recently played artists and playlists and doesn't show you what individual tracks you've played recently. I just found out a trick to actually see your recently played songs. I don't know why they don't just add this as a main feature because everyone wants it, but anyway, this is how you can view your recently played songs. Open up any of your playlists, it doesn't matter which one. Tap on the Add Songs button at the top of the playlist. Now you just want to scroll to the right 2 or 3 times and you will see a list of your recently played songs. You can quickly add them to a playlist here so you can play them again. You can also tap the play button here to hear a preview to make sure it's the song you were thinking of. Now you know how to see your recently played songs on Spotify. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.